As a car guy, and sorry for now, I have to record on my phone because I did forget to charge the GoPro, but I don't know as a car guy why we're like this, but we're picking up the new wheels. We're 2 hours away. Bro, I mean, I got to use the camera, like I said, on the phone because I, like an idiot, I forgot to charge my GoPro. Oh, yeah. It'd be like that. But my man's, bro, thank you, dude. Like, my man's hooked it up like crazy. For, how do you pronounce it? Kansei? Kansei? Something like that.
I call it a deal. I didn't open those 3 boxes. I just opened
just the one to check.
Yeah.
Dang, dude. So it's not the size that I wanted at all, but we're gonna make do. 19s. Garrett was out here like telling me just to go stance out, and I'm like,
yeah. At first I had the tandems because I knew they started making those in 19s, and then literally I was about to go ahead and like, you know, pay for the shipping, get them shipped here. And then they're like, I saw the IG page and said, oh yeah, we finally have the Astros and 19s. And I'm like, yeah, please change that. The 19-inch Astros, I know you got them stock because you just had an IG video.
Facts. Well, I'm going to drop his info down below and I'm going to help get these loaded up and head back home. We both got some long drives. All right, as y'all can see, package is secure. Again, shout out to Kese. And I know I kind of rushed out. I'm sorry, so I know when you're watching this, it's just I got to run back fast. But yeah, driving 2 hours plus to get wheels, it's kind of, to get car parts in general, it's just been like the norm now, especially going to Florida for a transmission, North Carolina, now South Carolina, well, whatever, not South Carolina, like close to, I don't know, man, it's just a hot mess. All right, we're back on the GoPro. So I'm going to show you guys the exact wheel, size, spec, everything, and go ahead and just throw it on the Z already. I did not expect to get this specific size just because I was looking for 18s for my car, but there's certain wheels that I feel look better in a bigger spec. Thankfully, I guess we can get into the sizing right now. I wanted to go with 18 by 10.5 plus 12 all around, just like what I did with the Z1 wheels. But then, you know, this deal came up with Kese, and it's just really hard to say no. It's 19 by 10.5 plus 22 all around, which last time I ran a plus 22 in the rear, I had to run a little bit of a spacer, so I'm hoping I don't, because I'm gonna put probably either Toyo R888s or maybe Mickey Thompson street tires, something in the rear that's gonna probably fill it up a lot more, and then the front should fit absolutely perfect. But if you guys can, just please help guide me with tire sizing, especially people who are probably making like 600 plus 700. I just want to make sure I buy the right tire. Like, if anything, I'm just going to go ahead and just buy like R888Rs or some Mickey Thompsons, go the safe route. But if someone else has recommendations, hit me with it. Man, the one thing I love though is that, like, again, Kese hooked it up on price and everything, great, but only one, he told me that only one box was opened up, and so true. Like, dog, brand new, which is freaking insane. So I thought honestly they might have been used, but no, dude, brand new, popping the seal and everything on camera. This is lit. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much a close-up of how they look, because again, these do already exist. These are the Astros from Kansei. I'm probably butchering their name, but nonetheless, it's pretty sick, because I was, like I said, was gonna get these in 18s, but now that I'm looking at them in person, wow, I'm feeling heavy. All right, there we go. I feel like 19s are definitely the moves for this specific style, but damn, these things are huge. Hold on. Oh man, dang, dude, they look so good. Look at this, dude. You guys can already see it, but damn, boy, wow. And one thing I love is, like, it just has a good amount of concave. Like, I want to slap one of these on already. I don't want to hold you all up. Oh, they look so sick. I wanted these. I saw these at Gatlinburg, Slammed Enough, and I was like, I kind of strayed a little bit just because I wasn't feeling the gunmetal color in person as much on the 18s, but now, now they're next to the car. Damn, all I need are tires so I can put this thing on the ground finally. Like, we are so close. And also, before I do put this on, I gotta show you guys too. I don't remember if I put this in a video, but we did get an intake manifold in already. Now I'm just waiting on my intercooler, throttle body injectors, which I mean I can use the stock ones for now and just push like almost no power, but I just want to have everything ready. But kind of needed wheels to be on the car in order to even do anything, so I'm glad we got that step out. But let's not chat so much. I want to show you guys how they look on the car.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change.
Bruh, I'm not even trying to be dramatic. I'm not trying to do none of that. Oh my god, dog. These look too damn good on the Z, bro. Like, I mean, obviously rotors are rusted and just like little things to still fix and everything, but dude, fitment is like A1. I'm gonna have to camber just a tad, you know what I mean? And I still gotta like bolt them down, but then the rear is like absolutely spot on. That is crazy, bro. Okay, I didn't want to do 19s because of the rotational mass, you know what I mean? And obviously like you save on money buying 18-inch tires, because 19s, so as soon as you step up to 19s, they get hella expensive. But damn, dude, I haven't ran 19s since the V1 Nismos. These things are hot, bro. Yeah. My man's out here, dude. But damn, dude, tell me these don't look good. And I believe the first ones to run this in 19, especially on a Z, because they just released these. So definitely might be one of the ones on the market, first ones on the market. And if you want to see how it looks, I mean, you got it. And that's even with a big wing. Color still needs to change and everything, hence why I'm okay with getting silver, and I wanted to either get silver or polish. But damn, dude, these are fire. Oh, they look so... we're getting so close, dude. Damn, look at this thing, dude. Damn. Oh my god. So close, bro. I'm so hyped, man. I just need my LS stuff to finish that way, like, and it's gonna be on some like fat schmeats in the rear, and so that way your boy can hook and everything. Wow, bro. Kansei, however you pronounce them, man. These things are fire. Sorry, I'm just hyped, dude. Like, I haven't seen the car pieced together like this in a hot minute, and it's been like 7 months so far that the car has been down since I started the swap, and it's like slowly come together between, and now, you know, wing, tail lights, wheels, it's all starting to piece together. Carbon fibre hood, still got other carbon accents that need to come in. Like, we have this over here from Z1, and I still need that to come in. So still a lot more, but I'm glad to see it like coming together more and more. It looks more and more like a car slowly. I know that's what, look, I got my neighbor out here hyped for my car, bro. Dude, this thing's looking too damn good, bro. Like, you don't even gotta go like how much concave it has and all that. It looks so damn good to me, man. Damn, see, she out here hyping me up. This thing is coming together. I was telling her I just need to get this thing on the ground so I can finally like see how it looks 100%. But I gotta wait on a wiring harness and a couple of other things. But damn, this thing is hot, bro. But what in the hell? These damn Georgia bugs, dog. But I'm gonna pack this crap up and then we'll figure out what we gotta do. But damn, one more look, bro. This thing, me too, I'm hyped. Damn. It's coming together, man. I feel like what I gotta do, man, is just wait till Bella pulls back up and get like her honest reaction. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like her and I were on the same page. By the way, shout out to Forsberg Racing, always hooking it up and showing mad love. But and I'll make sure y'all cop some merch too, because I honestly like Chris's designs a lot. But anywho, it's funny because her and I feel like had the same mindset when it came down to this wheel style, because this isn't my style. Like, if you look back at like old videos, if you go back that far, it's like V1 Nismos. I had the Graham lights from Ray's, and I'm trying, and like even the, was it 6-spoke or 7-spoke from Z1. Like, I've had multiple wheels and it's always like a racing style, but this, it's just like a weird star pattern, you know what I mean? Like, it looks so freaking sick to me, man. I love it. Again, mad love to Kese for helping me out. Kansei, you guys did honestly an amazing job with these wheels. They look really great. 19 for Z's, I'm gonna just say I think it might be the move. It's worth the extra rotational mass and stuff, but I mean, the car will make enough power to not worry about it. And besides, I'm here to have fun. It's not about always being the fastest. Like, the goal is like anywhere between 600 to 800 wheel horsepower, which is more than enough for the street, but there's always somebody that's going to be faster than you. So I'm not too butthurt about these. But if you didn't catch it earlier, 19 and a half by 10, 19 by 10 and a half plus 22 offset all around. She's just out here flexing on everybody with the underglow. Will she scrape? Will she scrape? Will she scrape? Don't scrape. Don't scrape. It's over here. Dang, did she out here flexing with the underglow? Damn. Sam Daddy. Alright, hurry up, let me show you. Come look at it. Look at the wheels. Alright. What do you truly think about them? Yeah, right?
What? Why are they wet?
It's babe, why it rained.
And how much are you like supposed to go low? Like, how much more are you going low? Because that's a lot of tire to...
Well, it's in the air, babe, but yeah, it's, I mean, I don't know, based off the specs, I should be like fender to tire, and then the rear is gonna be the same but with fat tire.
They look good. I mean, like, close up it's like different, but from far away, damn.
So you like it? Here, let me hit it with some light. Like, much better, right? But
You need your...
what? Oh my god. Day 2, still loving these things, man. Damn. See, now that, wait, now that you see them in the light, how we still feel. Stop worrying about them leaves. As soon as you drive, they're gonna be gone. But
Let me see. Okay.
yeah, how we feeling?
I'm excited to take pictures of your car, like, in the rear.
Damn. So you're a butt kind of girl?
Yeah, very.
What the hell? Yeah,
I
dude.
like it.
These things are dope. All right, you know what we need to do now?
What?
You know what you need to huh? What the fuck? All right, so yeah, what the hell did you just say? We're taking your car, and don't ever roast me about my car again. I will step on you. You are 5'1", all right, if even that, maybe 4'11". I will crush you.
If they made it this far into the video, they need to comment butt plug.
Oh Lord. While we head to the stove and VQ Bella's out here whipping, I'm gonna go ahead and just close out the video. Honestly, Kansei like killed it with these wheels. In 19 is the move. They just look so good. I'm kind of like tempted to get 18s for the rear and just step down so that way I can put a fat tire, but we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, y'all know the vibes. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed.